Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Akona Weight Bag. So this is a compact but tough little bag. It's really designed to keep your lead weight all together in one place, but it's got a few other little features dotted around it. So particularly useful, especially if you're diving sort of at home in the UK or wherever you live, and you carry your own lead. Even if it's all in a bag or all on a belt, or all in your sort of weight pouches, you can just stow it in the bag and just carry it all together instead of carrying it around loose, because it gets everywhere. So it's double tough. You've got this sort of webbing strap that continues around sort of underneath, reinforced material on the underside, and this sort of tough sort of denier material that just keeps all that heavy lead all together in one place. You've got big chunky sort of padded handles as well. So even if you have a lot of lead inside of this, it's going to be comfortable to carry it around. These are padded straps, so it's not going to dig into your hands too much. On the back side, you have a little ID sort of slate inside here, so you can write down your details so that people know that it is yours, especially if someone else has the same bag. You have a single zipper opening, U-shaped zipper on the top, and then inside it's this kind of water resistant material. You've got the grommets, the drainage grommets at the bottom so that your lead can drain. Lead shot is particularly sort of problematic with that. It absorbs a lot of water and it takes forever to dry, so it's always good to get that sort of drainage hole down at the bottom. You've got an anchor point in here, so you can clip things off onto that if you want to use it for anything other than lead. And then other than that, it's basically a tough, small little bag. There is another piece, there's a small little D-ring just down in here by the zipper. Not too clear what that's for. It's either for clipping something off onto it or for maybe sort of locking that closed. It's up to you, you can use that for whatever you want. But it's a handy little bag. I'd definitely get one for my lead. It's a handy bag to keep all your lead together. This is the Akona Weight Bag. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.